Let's talk about computer programs for a moment. I bet a lot of you out there think that an app is just designed. Someone has a great idea and then they design that app, and then the app is then created and then it fulfills the expectations of its creator. Well, those of you who've looked at apps of long-standing durability, such as maybe Google Maps or something like that, will know that's not the case. There may have been an initial program that was designed, but then over time there have been enhancements and additives and so forth. I mean, look at iTunes, for example. What an awesome program that is. The truth is that there's rarely just one designer of a computer program. Usually, after the initial design is done, lots of programmers add bits. They're always adding enhancements, little bits, and rarely do those programmers have a concept of what the whole experience should be. So what's wrong with that? Well, over time, this tool becomes a tool which is changed by lots and lots of people who don't know its original intended purpose and design. So what is the tool actually achieving? And we become totally dependent on this, and our behaviour changes. Take the example I mentioned before of iTunes, for example. That program has changed and changed and changed in its user interface. It seems to change all the time. And I don't know about you, but I find it very difficult to use at times. And so we have to change the way that we think and the way we work with that program in order to use it. And that's changing us. And then they bring out the next version, and then we have to change again. But there was no original reason for that change other than some people arbitrarily thought that they were making an improvement. Weird, isn't it? So extend that to most things that computers touch. There is very few human endeavours today in modern industrialised society that aren't driven by computer software of this kind. So humans and computers are working together in maybe a sphere which has no ethical or moral foundation. We're working in a world of ideas that don't have any sort of central purpose, and that is a danger, I think, with technology. And as I've said before, it all comes back to us personally and whether we're willing to make decisions and make choices based on what's in here and not be so influenced by what computer programs are telling us.